I got the other videos on Snapchat, but there's a really bad crash. It seems like 3 fire trucks flew by, and I thought I saw 2 ambulances. Maybe the other one was going somewhere else, but... And then like 4 cop cars. So, we have yet to figure out what it is. Yeah, 3 fire trucks, and then like their like police chief truck, like the, you know, that small regular truck, like the Ram or the Ford that they use and stuff like that. Oh yeah, she's a good one. Oh yeah, she's all flipped. That's how you're supposed to do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is crazy.